If you are looking for a captivating mix of romance, drama, and an unexpected twist, Insane Obsession is the movie for you. Streaming now on Morris Sam TV on YouTube, this gripping tale is directed by the talented Omorui Afosa Emmanuel and features an incredible cast including Morris Sam, Uchi Montana, Tony Bechel, Isokan Igbeniji, Sunshine Chiamaka, Paul Anayo, and others. Plot summary. The movie tells the story of Will, played by Morris Sam, a quintessential Casanova who treats women as disposable distractions. He enjoys their attention and manipulates their emotions, leaving a trail of heartbreak in his wake. However, his life takes an unexpected turn when he meets Violet, a classy and self-assured woman portrayed by Uchi Montana. Their meeting occurs when Will helps Violet secure an apartment that required tenants to be married, a first act of kindness that marks the beginning of his transformation. While Will initially sees Violet as another challenge to conquer, her resistance to his charms intrigues him. Unlike other women, Violet doesn't fall for his good looks or smooth talk. Instead, her dismissive attitude and strong-willed nature awaken feelings in Will he's never experienced before. But Violet is no angel. Her heart, scarred from past betrayals, has hardened, turning her into a possessive and controlling partner. As Will attempts to prove his love, he discovers that the sweet, independent woman he fell for harbors a dark, obsessive side. This realization leads to a dramatic unraveling of their relationship, forcing both characters to confront their deepest insecurities. Performances. Morris Sam as Will. Morris Sam delivers an outstanding performance as Will, embodying the charm and arrogance of a Casanova with ease. His portrayal of a man who transitions from a carefree womanizer to a deeply conflicted lover is both compelling and believable. Morris captures the emotional depth of Will's transformation, especially as he realizes the consequences of falling for someone as complex as Violet. The nuances in his acting, his vulnerability, confusion, and eventual regret, add layers to the character, making him relatable even in his flaws. Uchi Montana is Violet. Uchi Montana is captivating as Violet, perfectly balancing sophistication and unpredictability. Violet starts as a strong, independent woman who seems immune to Will's charms, but as the story unfolds, her insecurities and possessiveness come to light. Uchi convincingly portrays the evolution of her character from a self-assured woman to an emotionally volatile and controlling girlfriend. Her ability to shift between a sweet demeanor and a manipulative, delusional persona adds tension to every scene. The moment she forces Will to block all his exes or gets herself engaged after finding an engagement ring in his suit pocket was the highlight. Tony Bechel as KK. Tony Bechel brings humor and realism to the role of KK, Will's close friend. KK's skepticism about Will's intentions with women adds a layer of relatability to the story, as he mirrors the audience's doubts about Will's ability to truly love someone. Tony's natural delivery and comedic timing make him a memorable character, providing moments of levity amidst the intense drama. Isokan Igbeniji is Ijeoma. Although her appearances are brief, Isokan Igbeniji makes an impact as Ijeoma, one of Will's former flings. Her portrayal of heartbreak after being discarded by Will is authentic and evokes empathy, adding depth to the narrative and highlighting the emotional damage Will leaves in his wake. What I liked. 1. The performances. The cast delivers stellar performances, with Morris Sam and Uchi Montana standing out. Their chemistry, tension, and emotional intensity drive the story forward, making every interaction captivating. 2. The unexpected twist in Violet's character. The transformation of Violet from a confident, self-assured woman to a possessive and delusional girlfriend is both shocking and compelling. This twist adds layers to the story, forcing the audience to question their initial perceptions of her character. 3. The music. The soundtrack perfectly complements the movie's mood, enhancing the emotional depth of key scenes. From romantic moments to tense confrontations, the music elevates the storytelling. 4. The cinematography and lighting. The visual quality of Insane Obsession is top-notch, with beautifully composed close-up shots that capture the characters' emotions. The lighting enhances the atmosphere, making the romantic and dramatic scenes even more immersive. 5. The direction. Omorui Afosa Emmanuel's direction is commendable, skillfully balancing romance, drama, and suspense. The pacing of the story keeps the audience engaged, and the seamless integration of plot twists adds intrigue. 6. Dialogue. The dialogue in Insane Obsession is sharp, realistic, and impactful. The exchanges between Will and Violet, particularly during their confrontations, are charged with emotion and tension. The script effectively captures the complexities of their relationship, making their interactions feel genuine and relatable. What I didn't like. The movie ticked almost all the boxes, but you see, I wasn't quite satisfied with just this one thing, and that is the underutilization of supporting characters. While the supporting cast, particularly Isokan Igbeniji as Ijeoma, delivered strong performances, her roles felt underdeveloped. More screen time for these characters could have added depth to the story. It had a beautiful ending. We have Isokan's character coming through for Morris's character during the shitty drama with his girlfriend, and I wondered why we didn't get to see this beautiful romantic story of these two, cause apparently, they were seeing each other. What an important story, why? Final thoughts. Insane Obsession is a must-watch for fans of romance and drama with a psychological twist. The movie is a testament to Morris Sam and Uchi Montana's acting prowess, offering a gripping tale of love, obsession, and the consequences of emotional scars. With its compelling performances, stunning visuals, and unexpected twists, it's a film that will leave you thinking long after the credits roll. Watch Insane Obsession now on Morris Sam TV on YouTube.